or 7 miles southeast of Red Springs, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lumberton, Red Springs, Pembroke, St. Paul's, Smiths, Rex, Howellsville, Taylorsville, Cheyenne, Bowie, Robinson Community College, Wacola, Barker 10 Mile, Prospect, Elmont, Parkin, Leonard, Lumber Bridge, and Southeastern Regional Medical Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.